You'll think I'm crazy, but hey, baby, you know what I despise. You pull me in and then you let me go, and just let the rain fall. It's not your fault, right? You cared at all, but you're still standing tall. So there you'll stand with your back against the wall, letting the rain fall. Why don't you stay inside your world for only you? Well, and all of your other lovers too. Dust is sneaking out, still no calls, and the clouds are starting to weep. In the depths of the night, trying to fall asleep. The only thing that will keep me warm is my blanket of sanity. I'll be waiting till morning when I'm never truly coming back to reality. You pull me in and then you let me go, and just let the rain fall. It's not your fault, right? You cared at all, but you're still standing tall. So there you'll stand with your back against the wall, letting the rain fall. Don't you stay inside your world for only you? Well, and all of your